If this is your first time running the MagRez software, double-click the MagRez shortcut on your desktop. When the software runs, it will automatically check for updates. And since this is the first time the software is run, the file banks will be automatically downloaded. This happens very quickly. Now it's finished. The second thing you should do is go to the compiler. Click the compiler button. And the first thing it's going to do is find all the MagRez devices connected to your computer. The compiler is where you select the files you want to load into the MagRez. Since this is the first time you're running the software, you want to do a quick test to make sure that the software can communicate with the MagRez and see if the software is running correctly. On the left are categories, on the right are frequency files. Beginning at the top, the A to Z All Files list is an alphabetical listing of all the files in all the categories in the software. It's a list that is several hundred lines long. You can also look at files by category. Here are allergy-related files, blood-related files, cardiovascular lymph, CNS concussion, dental, kidney, liver, skin, trauma. But let's go back up to the top. We're going to select the compiled files category. This category is a list of compiled files supplied by the software that have been found over time to be useful to people in working with different conditions. Let's select General Wellness, click the Add button. It adds the files to the spreadsheet. We now need to enter the number of repeats. This is the number of times the treatment will repeat after the first time. Right now we'll leave it at the default value of 0. Next, click Transfer Treatment to Device. Since it's the first time we're running the software, we need to add a name. Click the Add Name button. I've entered John Doe. Click Enter. Select John Doe, then click the Select Name button. The software switches to a different screen as it's going to load the selected programs into the MagRez. And it's going to file this treatment under John Doe. We do this test first just to see if we can communicate with the MagRez. If Microsoft Windows cannot see your MagRez, then you know you have a problem and you need to troubleshoot it. Now that it's loaded, let's go back to the main menu page. This time we're going to click Patient Files. Since John Doe is the first patient in the list, his patients are going to be loaded first, and we see that the General Wellness program we just loaded into the MagRez and filed under his name is there. That's what you need to do the very first time you run the MagRez software.